What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding special product formulas that contain square roots. So we have 6 minus root 5 squared as we had it earlier. I just write it one more time. A minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, or you can say a squared b squared minus 2ab, and when we have plus is gonna be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is first one is squared, second one is squared, plus 2 times the first one times the second one. So here we have 6 minus root 5 squared will be 6 squared plus root 5 squared minus 2 times 6 times root 5, which is going to be 36 plus root 5 squared is 5 minus 12 root 5. Then it will be 41 minus 12 root 5. Next example. We have 9 minus 2 root 10 squared. Answer is 9 squared plus 2 root 10 squared minus 2 times 9 times 2 root 10, which will be 81 plus 4 times 10 minus 2 times 19 times 2 root 10 is going to be 36 root 10. That will make it 81 plus 40 minus 36 root 10. That will make it 121 minus 36 root 10. Next example. One plus 3 root x to the power of 2. Answer is 1 squared plus 3 root x squared plus 2 times 1 times 3 root x, which is going to be 1 plus 3 squared is 9, root x times root x is going to be x, plus 2 times 1 times 3 root x is going to be 6 root x. Next example. We have 2 plus 5 root m squared. Answer is 2 squared plus 5 root m squared plus 2 times 5 root m. So 2 squared is 4. 5 root m squared is 25m. 2 times 5 root m is going to be 20 root m. And we cannot basically simplify more than that. We just leave it like that. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.